Hello friends, this video on comparing quantities part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Based on whatever basic things we have learned about ratios, let us quickly have a look at some of the questions. Question number 1. Find the ratio of 30 days to 36 hours. Okay, so these are the two quantities which we need to compare. So this is our quantity 1. This is our quantity 2. Now, do you remember one of the important criteria of writing ratios, that both these quantities must have the same unit? Must have same unit. So, in case of quantity 1, the unit is days. In case of quantity 2, the unit is hours. So, we need to convert one of these into the other so that both of them are in the same unit. So, let us say, what is our quantity 1? So quantity 1 is 30 days. Let us convert 30 days into hours. Now 1 day is equal to 24 hours, right? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore, 30 days would be equal to 30 into 24 hours. Right? So 30 days can be written as 30 into 24 hours. This is equal to 720 hours. Now let us look at quantity 2. So quantity 2 is already given in hours. So now you see we have both the quantities in the same unit. Right? So therefore the ratio of quantity 1 to quantity 2 would be quantity 1 divided by quantity 2. So this is equal to 36, 2 is 72, 0. So this is 20 divided by 1. So this can be written as 20:1. So this is the ratio. Question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Now, do you remember the unitary method which you had learned in your junior classes? So, if you remember, then it's well and good. In case you have forgotten, I'll remind you about the unitary method. So, what was this method all about? This method always asked us to find out the value for one unit and then find out the value for multiple units. What does that mean? Let us try to solve this question and then understand. So the question says that there are 3 computers for every 6 students. That means for 6 students, the number of computers that are present are how many? So for 6 students, there are 3 computers. That means you really do not have even one computer for one student. One computer needs to be shared between 2 students. So basically for one student, how many computers do you have? So if the total number of computers is say 3 for 6 students, then for one student, the number of computers that you have is 3 by 6, which is nothing by 1 by 2. So half a computer is for one student basically. Now the question asks for 24 students. Therefore, for 24 students, the number of computers would be, for one student it is 3 by 6. So for 24 it would be 3 by 6 into 24. So 6 4s are 24 and 4 3s are 12. So basically 12 computers are needed for 24 students. Now, what is this unitary method? So the concept is that first we find the value of one unit. So first we found the value of computers, that is the number of computers needed for one student, that is one unit, and then the value of required number of units. So here the required number of units were 24 students. So first we found the number of computers needed for one student and then we multiplied it by 24 to find out the number of computers for 24 students. So this is a very basic method which is used for various calculations where we are given a certain value for a certain number of units and we have to find out the value for some other number of units. So everywhere what we do is we find the value of one unit and then we multiply it by the required number of units. Question number 3. Population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs and population of UP is 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer square and area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square. How many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? Okay, so let us try to calculate this. So how many people per kilometer square? That means per kilometer square means how many people are present in 1 kilometer square. So that is what we need to find out. So let's see how do we proceed. So let us first look at Rajasthan. So for Rajasthan, area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer square. So in 3 lakh kilometer square area, how many people are present? So this is the total area of Rajasthan, and in the total area of Rajasthan resides the total population of Rajasthan, right? So that means 3 lakh kilometer square area accommodates 570 lakhs people, right? So now we have to find out 1 kilometer square. So that is 1 unit. That is what we have to find out. Per kilometer square, how many people resides. So in 1 kilometer square, the number of people that would reside would be 570 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs. So this would be equal to 190 people. So these many people would reside per kilometer square in Rajasthan. So this was about Rajasthan. So let us now look at UP. What's happening in UP? So in UP, the total area is 2 lakh kilometer square. And this total area of 2 lakh kilometer square is accommodating 1660 lakhs people. So 1660 lakhs people. So that means 1 kilometer square would accommodate how many people? 1660 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs. So this is 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 30, 0. So this would be 830 people. So when you see in Rajasthan, in 1 kilometer square, 190 people resides. Whereas in UP, in 1 kilometer square, 830 people resides. So what would you say? Which state is less populated? So definitely less populated would be Rajasthan, because here you have less number of people within 1 kilometer square. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.